I would like today to address the issue of VAT that was introduced the other day, especially to the insurance fraternity. That is in the tax amendment laws that were done in a bid to make things easier for people, especially in the COVID-19 period. We understand that VAT has been introduced into the insurance sector at 14%. Previously, the insurance agents and brokers in this country have never had to pay VAT. But we feel it was not well intentioned to do that, because at the end of the day, VAT in the insurance sector, especially to the insurance intermediaries, does not capture the essence of what VAT is all about, because VAT is supposed to value add. The introduction of VAT into the insurance sector, especially for the insurance intermediaries, does not pay attention to the characteristics of what a fair tax system should be. Because we find a fair tax system should meet the qualities of fairness, it should meet the qualities of adequacy, it should be a simple tax to understand, and it should be a tax that is transparent. A fair tax system should also have what called administrative ease. Now, the tax with VAT, as far as insurance agents and brokers are concerned, does not capture the essence of fairness in the tax, because you find that it has violated the principle of what called tax neutrality. Tax neutrality means that the tax system or raising revenue must not appear to be discriminatory in favor of or against any particular choice. But the main reason why we're even complaining about this is that insurance intermediaries in Kenya are paying three types of taxes. We have the withholding tax that you pay at 10%. After the withholding tax, we also pay income tax. And now we've introduced a third tax, which is VAT. We feel we are really being overtaxed in the insurance industry. And we would like the president to look at our views, because we understand that when he presented our views to parliament, they were never looked at, they were never considered, because if they were actually considered, this tax would never have been passed. Just the way, Mr. President, that VAT is introduced to essential goods, for example, like in the agriculture sector, just the way it was done away with, we pray and we beseech you that the same thing should be done to insurance intermediaries in Kenya, because we find insurance as an industry in Kenya has really regressed. The penetration of insurance has really gone down in this country. We also find that when you overtax a certain sector of the economy, there's almost an unspoken there's an unspoken message that maybe the insurance intermediaries in this sector have been phased out of the economy. It seems like insurance in this country is not being taken seriously. If you overtax the over 10,000 insurance agents and brokers in this country, these 10,000 brokers and agents have dependents of up to 5 to 6 or 10 dependents. That means at the end of the day, this overtaxation of the insurance intermediaries in this country is going to affect over 70,000 of the population of this country. And we know that Vision 2030 talks about creation of employment. The tax is completely against the Vision 2030. And we pray the president is going to have a look at this VAT introduction into the insurance sector and be done away with. Because apart from the VAT affecting us directly, if it is done in any other way, it's going to increase also the price or the price of insurance services or the insurance products that are sold to the masses. We didn't make it any better for the insuring public to get more insurance, or are they going to do away insurance? It is going to become a luxury, because there's a long-held perception that insurance is actually a luxury and it is for the rich. We as a president to consider this, and may he find it in his good heart. We voted for him, and we believe we voted for a good government. Let the president please relook at this and ease the suffering of over 10,000 insurance intermediaries in this country. Thank you very much.